Removing a card on Bybit can be done quickly and easily by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the process to ensure your card is removed from your account. Step 1. Log into your Bybit account. Open the Bybit app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the main dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the profile or user menu, typically represented by the profile picture or an icon in the top corner. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view all the cards and payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the card to remove. In the Payment Methods section, find the card you wish to remove. There should be an option next to the card details to edit or delete the card. Click on the Delete or Remove option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the card. Confirm your choice to complete the removal process. You should receive a notification that the card has been successfully removed. After completing these steps, your card will be removed from your Bybit account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bybit's customer support for assistance.